Good morning. We are here today to mark the European Immunization Week 2019. Slovenia has been actively taking part in European Immunization Weeks for many years. This week has been used in Slovenia to raise awareness of the importance of vaccination. Immunization has been of highest priority of the government of Slovenia, which is fully in line with the slogan of this week: prevent, protect and immunize. Slovenia can be proud of having achieved high vaccination coverage for most of vaccine-preventable diseases. And this has been possible thanks in large part of dedicated health professionals, skilled dedicated health professionals. Together with continued efforts in strengthening the surveillance system on infectious diseases, we have been able to drastically reduce the threat of infectious diseases like polio, measles and diphtheria. This progress must be maintained and the systems further strengthened and improved. Vaccination prevents diseases, protects lives, and is a strong foundation for lifelong health and well-being. This year, the focus of European Immunization Week is on the role of individuals who contribute to protecting lives through vaccination. And indeed, there are so many ways that each of us can become the vaccine heroes in our daily lives, in our workplaces, in our families and social network. Everyone can contribute, including those whose direct work is not directly related to health sector. By saying that everyone can contribute, I would like to start with policymakers. Their role is very important. Policymakers are the ones to make sure that every child has equitable access to vaccines. Policymakers create the medical, educational and social systems that are needed to ensure equitable access to vaccines. And of course, the role of health professionals is extremely important, as they are the most trusted source of information about vaccines for their patients. And taking this opportunity, I would like to call on every health professional to use every opportunity when meeting a patient for any health reason to raise awareness about vaccines, because vaccines save lives. And of course, parents' role is vital. Every parent plays a vital role in protecting their children and others by choosing to vaccinate. Every child deserves to be protected from vaccine-preventable diseases. We can save the lives of our children and others' children, and it is our obligation to provide the best opportunities for our children to stay healthy. Vaccination against vaccine-preventable diseases is the best protection we can give to our children. And now about health researchers. They have saved millions of lives by developing safe and effective vaccines. Development of new vaccines takes many years and a lot of resources. Ongoing innovation gives us hopes that new vaccines will be developed and will expand protection to more diseases in the future. And of course, social and mass media play a significant role. By sharing the facts and evidence-based information about vaccines, every person contributes to healthier world for all. Everyone can do a lot to raise awareness about immunization as a life-saving tool. Everyone can become a vaccine hero. The choice is ours. Thank you very much.